morning students, welcome back. Yesterday we were talking about the lesson. The name of our lesson is the noun, okay, and in that we studied about proper noun, we studied about common noun, collective noun, and yesterday we studied about abstract noun, correct. What are abstract nouns? Abstract nouns are those nouns which tells about the quality, action, correct, condition, you can say quality, action, state or condition of anything. It can be condition of a person, place, animal, bird or thing. That all words are called what? Abstract nouns. Now here abstract nouns from adjective. There are some abstract nouns formed from adjective. Can you see here? Yes, correct. So here it is told that there are some words which are formed from abstract noun. First one is what? Angry. Angry word is what? Adjective. And from angry word what we have formed? We have formed abstract noun, that is anger. Child, childhood. Decent, decency. High, height. Kind, kindness. Poor, poverty. True, truth. Young, youth. Beautiful, beauty. Cruel, cruelty. Deep, depth. Human, humanity. Long, length. Proud, pride. Wide, width. Anxious, anxiety, bored, breathe, dark, darkness, free, freedom. In this way there are some adjectives. From adjectives we have formed abstract nouns. Second one is abstract nouns from verbs. Okay, verbs are which words? Verbs are action words. Act, action. Believe, belief. Defend, defense. Discover, discovery. Judge, judgment. Life. Protect, protection. Think, thought. Advise, choose, choice. Depart, departure. Expect, expectations. Know, knowledge. Move, movement. Punish, punishment. Fail, failure. In this way what is this? There are some examples of verbs which are from verbs abstract nouns are formed. Third one is abstract nouns which are formed from common noun. First one is agent, agency, friend, friendship, king, kingship, thief, theft, boy, boyhood, hero, heroism, man, manhood, women, womanhood, coward, cowardice, infant, infancy, patriot, patriotism, faith, faithful. In this way abstract nouns are formed from adjectives, abstract nouns are formed from verbs, abstract nouns are formed from common nouns. Okay. Now backside it is given on page number 18. On page number 18 there is one question and we have to do what? Fill in the blanks with the help of abstract nouns. Okay. Now some abstract nouns we are going to fill in the blanks. And blanks are brackets. Examples are given, brackets are given. From those brackets we have to choose one answer and write down in the blanks. Now first sentence which is given here is, my mother gave me a piece of dash. Now what my mother gave me? My mother gave me a piece of, my mother gave me a piece of dash. Okay, second one. Second is, the detectives dash helped me solve the case. The detectives dash helped me solve the case. So which word will suit for this? Detectives, advice. Yes, advice will be correct answer. So detectives advice helped me to find out, advice helped me to solve the case. Third one, what is your dash? Question is asked. Okay, what is your choice? What will be third answer? What is your answer is choice. Understood? Fourth one, dash always has a fall. Dash always has a भगवाचे घर खाली. करेक्ट or not? That is what answer. Okay, pride always has a fall. Fifth one is the children listened to the story with what? What will come with patience. Okay, the children listened to the story with patience. Patience means what? You say or not? Do you have patience or not? दम आहे की नाही? Correct or not? With patience. The sixth sentence is the dash of the plane is at 5:30 p.m. What will be answer over there? Arrival. Okay, so the arrival of plane. The arrival of the plane is at 5:30 p.m. Is at what time? Is at 5:30 p.m. Dash is the best policy. It is what? It is a thought. Honesty is the best policy. Honesty is the best policy. Eighth one. Birbal's dad dash made him famous in Akbar's court. His intelligence. Birbal was very intelligent in Akbar's court. So eighth answer is what? Intelligence. What is eighth answer? I will not write down sentence. Eighth answer is intelligence. Ninth one. Bhagat Singh showed a lot of dash towards his country. Patriotism. Patriotism means what? Love for country. So ninth answer is patriotism. Bhagat Singh showed patriotism towards the country. It was difficult to make a dash between the two captains. It was difficult to make choice between, correct, yes, choice. Then what will be this answer then? We have to 10 are there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12 are there. Tenth answer is choice. Then which word will fit over here? The detective's advice helped me. The detective's advice will come two places there. Choice word will come at two places. Here it is. What is your choice? Or what is your height? Height will come here. Height word will fit over here. What is your height? Okay. And one question we want, which answer will fit over here? My mother gave me a piece of what? Gave me piece of punishment? No, it will not be correct. Gave me a piece of infancy. Infancy. In this way, we have completed 10 sentences. I will show you those 10 sentences. Please see those sentences carefully and then write down answers in your book. Can you see all 10 sentences? Can you see all 10 sentences? Is it visible? I think you have seen it. And all answers are given, first to 10. All answers are given on the board. Now next noun which we are going to study is material noun. Examples are given. The basket is made from jute. The bag is made from leather. The noun which denotes the substance or material of which a thing is made of. Correct? Which a thing is made of. कोणत्या वस्तूपासून कोणती रॉ मटेरियल, कोणत्या रॉ मटेरियलपासून वस्तू तयार झालेली आहे. बास्केट, बास्केट इज मेड फ्रॉम वॉट, इट इज मेड फ्रॉम जूट, सो जूट इज वॉट, मटेरियल नाउन. The bag is made from leather, leather is what, it is a material, so bag is made of from which material, it is made from leather material, so leather is what, it is a material noun. The noun which denotes the substance or material of which a thing is made of is called material noun. Now which words are material noun? Gold, silk, milk, leather, wood, sugar, cotton, flour, silver, copper, turmeric, soap, chocolate, fish, bread, butter, rice, wheat, ghee, clay, wood pulp, paper, wool, water, etc. are all material noun. Choose the suitable material noun from the list given above. Now from here we have to choose and then write here. First one, people living in coastal areas mainly eat what? Fish and rice. So what is our first answer? Our first answer is fish and rice. Okay. Second sentence is to drink dash from a vessel made of dash is good for health. To drink water is there or water? Yes. So second answer will be what? Water and clay. Okay. Question number 1. First answer. People living in coastal areas like to eat fish and rice. Second answer. To drink water. To drink water from a vessel made of clay. Clay means what? मातीचे भांड. Okay. Third one. These dresses are made from dash and dash. From they are made of what? They are made of cotton and wool. Cotton and wool. Fourth one. The first prize winner got a trophy made of what? Which will come? Made of silver, made of copper, made of silver. Or gold, gold medal, made of gold. You can write down gold also, fourth answer. Have you understood? These are those 4 sentences. Okay, complete these 4 sentences also in your notebook. Choose the correct suitable material nouns from the list given below. Have you seen? You can pause video and see these 4 sentences. Okay, and tomorrow we will see 5 to 10 sentences and we will also complete this paragraph. From this paragraph we have to write down which words are proper noun, which words are common noun, which are abstract noun. Okay, that we will study in tomorrow's period. Okay, thank you.